Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco multi-espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it had a very serious problem. This piece right here that connects the brew assembly to the spouts broke. Now this is a very tiny little piece, but it's a very important piece that is located right in the center of the entire machine. In order for us to replace this, we had to remove all these panels. This panel completely coming out, this other panel completely coming out, the entire display board completely coming out, these spouts completely come out, this other spout had to come out as well. The entire thermoblock had to move to the side as well. We had to remove the thermoblock case as well as the thermoblock itself and move it to the side. The whole hopper and grinder assembly that is right here had to be removed as well as the top cover and some other little pieces in order for us to replace the entire hose, replace the entire adapter as well, and put it back together. So it took us quite a lot, but we were able to successfully repair it. Now, starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test the machine out. Then we're going to be using hot water. The infusion. And a stretcher. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, no leaking anywhere, and of course the coffee coming to the spouts. As previously it was just going into the tray in some better place, as this was not connected to the boiler unit. Hot water for this machine as well. We're gonna test that out. We're gonna be testing the steam instead. The menu is a little bit difficult to move around, but with the steam we'll be able to test pretty much everything at once. As you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the spouts and excellent steam coming out through here. Of course, this is supposed to be done with a carafe, but for testing purposes, as you can see, working excellent. Definitely great pressure coming out of the spout, working excellent. So there you have it, Saeco Multio, working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to the channel.